Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use one of the useful tools for travel agents. And I have a very simple question for you. For example, your customer wants to go to Colombia. And they ask, well, I would like to go there, but do I need a visa for there? Well, let's find out. It's very easy to search it right away. With CouponBet, all you have to do is you have to log in, and this is your dashboard. And then you just have to go to the tools section, and you can see here as well, it will also show you here all the information, so you can click here as well. However, we just click here on the tools, and once you're on the tools, you just have to scroll down. You can see here the visa info for Philippine passport holders, and here we just have to search. Can we find the information? You can see here tourist visa, cruise visa, and in case you need any information about the embassy in the Philippines. So you just type in here, very simple question, and that is this, or you type in Colombia. And you can see right now, Colombia is visa free. And that's all there is. It's very easy, and it saves you a lot of time, because what is very important for you as a travel agent or as a travel agency, you should be able to help your customer better and focus on them instead of focusing on searching for answers. And with CouponBet, it helps you to organize your travel agency and invest your time in helping your customer instead of searching for the information. And that's all there is to it. So if you like CouponBet and you want to use it as well, register right away. Go to couponbet.com. You fill up the form, you get an email. Open the email and click the confirmation link to confirm your account, and you're good to go. At that very moment, you can already log in and register. Well, you can already use the site right away. And that's it. So what are you waiting for? Register right away at couponbet.com.